Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. 21st of September, winter is coming, fortunately, and with the winter US elections. So, for sure, it's gonna bring us a lot of volatility and a lot of opportunities, I would say. So I hope you had a great weekend because this week also is going to be volatile. It's going to be interesting. The last one was crazy with a couple of interest rate decisions in UK, in United States. It was very interesting. So let's take a look what's going on the calendar. We start a week with ECB President Lagarde speech 12:45 GMT. Federal Reserve Chairman Powell is going to give a speech 2 p.m. GMT, and this is it for Monday. Tomorrow, we have Bank of England Governor Bailey speech. Obviously, we're gonna start a week with many speeches. 7:30 in the morning AM GMT. Existing wholesales 2 p.m. in US, and again, Federal Reserve Chairman Powell is going to testify 2:30 p.m. Wednesday, Composite Manufacturing and Services PMI in UK 8:30 a.m. for the Great British Pound. Interest rate decision for New Zealand 2 a.m. early morning GMT, and of course monetary policy statement 11:50 a.m. in about Japan GMT. Crude oil inventories, we're gonna take a look. The crude oil is very interesting. It's the very interesting case we have fighting between the demand and the supply right now. OPEC Plus had a meeting last week. Just a minute more. Interest rate decision in Switzerland Thursday 7:30 in the morning GMT. Initial jobless claims US 12:30. Governor Bali is going to give a speech 2 p.m. Thursday, and this is actually most of the economic event calendar news. So let's see what's going on the charts. Specifically, I wanna talk mostly about the crude oil because this is the most, I would definitely say, most interesting topic right now, and of course U.S. elections and American indices. But let's take a look what's going on with the euro US dollar first. As we talked, we can see the euro going in a tight range, even though I'm expecting drop. I'm not going to do anything before I see a test of the resistance 1.1912 or 1.169617. So that's why euro is not on my focus, but GBP looks a little bit more clear. We have a resistance level 1.2975. Even I would put in one more 1.30. I would even move this one 1.22 to 1.30. Just to remind myself, there is a round number around this resistance level, which makes it much stronger. So the GBP is trying to push up. It's absolutely possible to see even slight breakout of this resistance, and I'm not going to be surprised to see false breakout of the resistance and getting back below this resistance level. So just be careful by taking any buy trades. I would be careful. I am looking for a good short opportunity on the Great British Pound. I don't see anything positive in UK anyway, so currently, especially regarding this COVID-19 situation, they're registering more and more cases. I think they reached record high COVID-19 cases this weekend, if I'm not wrong, even since May. So it's pretty serious situation there. So we definitely can see test of 1.2788, 1.26. What about the Australian dollar? Kind of similar. Australian dollar is hitting up and pushing up. We talked about it a couple of times. In Australia and New Zealand, there are not many cases compared to the other countries worldwide of COVID-19. So because of this, I'm not surprised to see Australian US going up. But once we see pressure of the US, I mean, on a positive side, once we see US dollar is gaining strength, we definitely can see Australian dollar pushing down. So it's gonna be hot once Australian starts going down. The people who the traders were buying so far, they're gonna start selling big time, and we definitely can see by big drop. I don't expect, of course, to go to 0.50, but it's gonna catch up the rest of the currency major currency pairs. New Zealand US kind of similar like the Australian, trying to push up 0.68, very important resistance level, and I'm going to move this resistance to our round number. 0.68 is a big round number, and obviously very strong here. Try to test drop down here, try to test a slight drop to the downside. So let's see if the price is going to break out 0.68. It's going to be interesting for sure, but we definitely can see breakout considering how strong the New Zealand dollar is currently. USDCAD going directly to the crude oil, because this is the topic definitely of this video. OPEC Plus, they have a meeting last week, so they agreed to compensate, of course, the crude oil price with decreasing of the supply, decrease of the pump drills, and they're going to decrease the supply in order to push the price going up. So I'm not quite sure if this is going to work, because this is what they tried here once we saw the crude oil plummeting to the downside. They're literally going down like crazy. They tried to do the same, but just the lack of the demand was so low that they just didn't work out. Of course, there was a recovery after that, and they said it recovered because of this, but I don't think so. Just the demand went so low, so we can see the price going down. Considering the second wave of of COVID-19 right now, that's upcoming. It's not for sure, of course, but it's pretty likely to see. We definitely can see decrease of the demand of crude oil, and let's see if the OPEC Plus agreement is going to manage to maintain to hold these levels and to push the price going up, or the low demand, the upcoming low demand, is going to make the traders taking short on crude or selling off what they bought so far. I personally believe we're gonna see a drop to the downside. We've seen many times OPEC is saying, yeah, do not go against us, we are going to push the price, and after that the price dropping down. So just really be very careful when you're trading crude. It's gonna give us very good opportunities for sure, but be very careful. For me, I'm to the downside. I am waiting to take a very good short trade here in the solid one. So just I'm trading very conservatively on crude currently. So if we see crude going down, USD Canadian definitely could go up. USD CAD going down, USD Canadian going up because of the weakness of the Canadian dollar. But obviously US dollar is going very low because of many reasons. American indices, the American indices are still going up, something that I totally don't want to accept. It's completely complete nonsense. But anyway, the reality is reality. It's a fact. US indices are going up, so USD going down. This is what's pushing USD Canadian going down, not because of the strength of the Canadian dollar. And because of this, we see USD Canadian going down. We talked about pretty good opportunity, short opportunity, still good opportunity, 1.3178. So I think we're gonna see 1.30. If we see breakout to the upside of this minor resistance level, 1.3257, we definitely can see test of the resistance, 1.3339. I would even move this line here just to make sure that we have this level. USD Swiss, kind of similar like USD Canadian, strong push to the downside in a downtrend, started going down 0.99791. We would say even wait, because it's going in a tight range. If you're gonna take any trades, just wait a little bit so you can have a better entry point. USD Japanese, one of my favorites with USD Swiss, but right now it's pretty early to take any trades on USD Japan. I'm going to move 107.88 to new level 104.17 as a new support, sorry. So I'm gonna wait to see how the price is gonna react around this level, and eventually take short trades. I am short on USD Japanese in general. Right now I don't have running trades on it, but I'm looking for a short entry in a long term. I would even move this level to new resistance 105.19, 105. Even if we put it 105, it's not gonna be a mistake. Just to make sure we have it here. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, I'm really hoping all of these videos you're getting help and support. Thumbs up if you learn something new. Thumbs up if you support our channel. Of course, share us and like us on the social media. Support us to spread this content to your friends. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. Expect my new video. Enjoy the week, of course, and have a lot of profits. Bye bye.